Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. So I was actually making a video on the 714 method when I realized what was happening within the charts. So I had to execute this trade right here. Now this is not the longer version of this video. The longer version of this video is actually on this channel. You can check it out. You understand why I executed this trade, and you also understand the steps that I actually went through in order to execute this trade, or the analysis that I did right. But this shorter version is just to make you understand the whole concept of this strategy. Now, this strategy is not, it doesn't usually happen every single time, but yes, it's just about visualizing the charts and understanding what is happening within that zone. And after this happens, what will happen next? So that is just how the strategy is. First of all, you can see that I'm executing a buy. Look at this massive push all the way down. So why am I buying? Why am I counter trading the whole trend itself? Because even when you look at it on a bigger time frame, which is 45-minute time frame right here, you can see that yes, price is pushing all the way down, but it's pushed down to a fair value gap. Under normal circumstance, I shouldn't be looking forward to actually trading this fair value gap at all, right? Because I can see that price has actually broken through a trend line right here. So the sellers are actually much more interested in the trend or the trade itself as compared to buyers. So why am I still buying at the moment? So let's look at this. I've told you guys, if price is inconsistent, it is pushing to a particular zone before a reversal. So an inconsistent trend is, or an inconsistent chart is, if within a range, let's say an hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours, within that range, price is not showing whether it's going down or it's going up. That is an inconsistent chart. That is an inconsistent what? Trend. When you look around this level, from here all the way up to this zone, price was inconsistent. Price started being consistent just around this level, which was the 714 method that people actually got. And I'm actually proud of that, and I'll keep on repeating that, right? I'm actually happy for you guys. Kudos to every single person who actually got this trade right here. So from here all the way up to this zone, this level is inconsistent. That right there becomes an inconsistent trend. If there's an inconsistent trend, price will actually push through it, but it is only pushing through a particular zone. After it reaches that particular zone, there's going to be a reversal immediately. So in this case, price has pushed all the way down. We have seen this massive reversal right here, indicating that buyers are now in the market more than sellers, right? Where did price actually go to before this massive reversal happening? Price went to a fair value gap. So by looking at that inconsistent trend on a smaller time frame, I can now confirm on a bigger time frame that price will pull liquidity from this fair value gap, and price is going to push back all the way up. It can push all the way through this high right here just to test the trend line and pull liquidity from the fair value gap above this zone right here before dropping, or it can do that and just continue to push all the way up. But at the moment, I know for sure that buyers are in the market, sellers are no longer in the market. So all I need to do is execute my trade. I should have actually executed it here, but there's no problem because I already know price is going to continue shooting all the way up. It's that simple. Right now, the price is reversing is because of this fair value gap and this fair value gap right here. And this is the whole pullback. That's the whole reason for an inconsistent trend. It has to give you a massive drop or a massive push before the reversal actually happens. And if you know this, things just becomes easy for you, because I wasn't really going to trade today. Even the 714 method, I wasn't in a trade with the 714 method. But this is too easy to actually miss, right? It's too easy, and I can't just leave it alone. I have to execute the trade. If I not execute the trade on this trend, just ask me a question: which other trend do I actually want to execute my trade on? Because this is way too easy, right? But yes, that's just it. That's just what happened. Price is inconsistent right here. We have the massive push all the way through. But yeah, that is it. Let's see what happens with this trade. I'll see you guys soon.
3 days later.